Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to apply for your Chase Sapphire Reserve. So of course, if you're familiar with Chase, they have pretty good rewards for your Chase Sapphire Reserves. So right here, it's pretty simple. The Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card has 60,000 bonus points and almost $1,000 in partnership value, even $300 in travel credit. So how you can actually get this, you can actually sign in here to apply faster, or you can apply as a guest. So right here, there's an annual fee of 550 bucks and 75 bucks for each authorized user. So here, you want to actually check out the guest right here if you want to. So that's for the sign in. So I don't have an account with Chase. So let's go ahead and check out the guest. So right here, you can see the details. You will just have to place in your info, your name, identification, your tax ID type, social security number, home address, contact info, authorization with your social security administration to disclose your social security number verification. Once you check this box, you're going to provide the electric signature for authorization above. So, your financial info and the authorized user, which is going to be you or just a couple people. So, the pricing and terms are going to be written right here. Of course, I'm not going to explain all of it right here, but it's going to be listed as you go to their website and apply. So, there's going to be some penalty fees, of course, for late payments and return payments. And note that the account may not be eligible for bank balance transfers. So, right here, there's terms and conditions that you want to read from their certifications that you have read this all, and you will submit and they will review it and they will get back to you in the email that you provided basically, or the account that you will sign in here with Chase. And it's just that simple to apply for a Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.